Hi friends, very good morning. People are doing great and today because I'm actually very happy because actually I did not make video any that stuff in the few days because actually I was sick and I had fever. So right now, so I just recovered right now. So I'm thinking about in this time. So I woke up early in the morning around 6 a.m. Then it's very well. So actually, I will share the everything in this video. So how did I learn English? So, and you were thinking about me. So how did I learn English? So because actually my English journey it was a very difficult. So when I started my English journey, so because actually I read the reading book and every day is because I watched the movie and cartoons, newspapers yesterday and everything. So it was a very difficult, very hard in my life. So because and do you want to learn English and as the same position so you can learn English and very easy in that. This is my native language, but actually even then actually I have decided determines myself that actually I will speak and very well in that. So guys, this is actually I'm sitting here on the roof my so because actually every day actually I will practice English and these days and so very comfortable so right now. So actually my eye the soiling and this time so because actually recovers from the fever at the right now because actually please guys subscribe in this channel because actually I want to become a good speaker in my future because actually I had a thinking and since childhoods because actually I wanted to be become in my future but actually I had it my parents had no money for the increase the more education in my life because actually I'm doing the work in the Delhi's as well with along with my family. So right now, so because my daughter is the study here in Delhi, right now my wife is doing the work in Delhi. So because actually I have a lot responsibility, the care. My mom is living in my hometown in Ayodhya. So because actually I have to go to after 4 days to my village. So because actually uh, my mom is calling me because actually she was very sick and 3 days back. So right now, so because actually she is the taking the medicine is right now. So because actually uh, and so guys, so every day is though I practice English to communicate my English journey. It was very much the more in my life. But guys, I have the experience I will sharing in this video. So because actually do you want to learn English and you have to the practice and every day because the practice the most important for the learn English. So even then any situation you can learn English. Any situations in the cooking times you can learn and the walking time you can learn and at home so whatever in doing the work at home right now you can learn. So actually don't put you have no condition more the speak English. The condition actually don't give you the any condition because actually English the some people's the thinking only the subject is the very hard in my future, but actually guys I want to suggest you because in the English language only the language as I like to the Hindi, Bhojpuri, Marathi, Punjabi, Haryanvi, this is the language and you are living the any situation any condition and as I like to Punjabi and Bhojpuri and you will the learn English, you will the learn Bhojpuri and very easy because actually you have to the thinking only as a like to only language and don't put on your mind this is the course. Actually I would say that and because actually don't think over it much more because actually don't join the institute. Trust me guys, Actually, if you want to join the institute, this is the very actually you will spend all a lots of money, right? And you can learn English in very easy, and you can do it, and every day you have to the practice the more times, and you should practice in a every day, at homes, alone places. Actually, don't go to the public places. And first your step have to the do, and you the practice and alone at home. As I like to, you can go to field, and only my beginners the who people learn English, and for peoples, and some peoples want to actually will join the institute. You will then spend a lot the money institute. Okay, you can't understand anything, so only you can learn only the grammar and translation. And these are is a very complicated for you, right? You get a very complicated in your life, and you can't understand anything else. Actually, don't you will not increase your the communication skill improve in your future. But guys, actually I want to suggest you, and because actually you want to learn English in very step, and please you should start from the zero level, as I like to child, right? Children's, and children is very small, ooh, e, mom, as I like to, you can do it the same position. Actually, first of all guys, I want to say that, because actually you have to the listen only. Actually, you can the listen the actually a lots video uploaded on the YouTube channel. And first of all, the open and the type in the child and cartoon channel, English cartoon channel, you should watch and every day. And please be carefully in the listen and every day. Trust me. Actually, as the same, I had the watches the most video in my life. Trust me, because actually gradually increased my vocabularies and grammars. Actually, you can see the my native look, my native leather language. This is the my manner, my English. But actually, even then, I'm practice every day, because actually I don't care anything. So as you like to guys, you can should watch the movie and cartoon channel, and you should earn around 1 hours and 2 hours in the daily. And after that, be carefully, and you should after that you should start English. Whatever you have listen and remember your mind, and you should start an every day, right? You will get for more education and increase your life, and gradually you will learn English every day, right? Small sentences, the make sentences small. I go to school, I go to the market, I went to school today, I will go to the I will go to the market, the bring the some vegetable at home. The small, I like this. Actually, I'm just like to in telling you, right? So you can learn, and this is you can the blogging and every day in English language. And gradually, actually, please meet to some people, some students, and you can ask, hi, how are you, good morning, any situation you can do it, right? Any condition, you hello, hi, how are you, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and sweet dream. So actually, what's going on in your study these days, and what do you become in future? And you can like this, yeah. Please practice. The practice is the most important, guys. The practice is the most important, and you can learn English and very easy. Please try this and like this. So very excited guys, so because actually I have completed my time, because actually I have to go to my duty. So I will meet you the next video. Please guys, I want to do humble request, please subscribe the channel. Please subscribe the channel so that you will get notifications with more videos. Actually, as I like, actually, I am beginner. Actually, I just started my English because actually my English is not good, but actually I have any experience. Actually, I am sharing, right? So gradually you will become good speaker in future. But actually, you should practice the more time, and you should the practice a lot time, so gradually you will become once a day and good speaker, guys. Trust me, trust yourself, and don't listen anyone. Okay, please believe yourself always, and you can do it anything else in future without anyone. Trust me. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much. I will meet you the next video. Bye bye. Take care and please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Love you so much. I greet to all once again. Bye.